Hey guys, this is Laura and you are watching Info Review Vids. Today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Aizen Power. I have seen lots of people checking for the Aizen Power review. But there are only advertising and promotion videos are available in the YouTube. Only some videos are telling the truth about the Aizen Power. So I decided to make a video. And I have also heard that there are some people struggling to find the proper website to get Aizen Power. Because in some videos or in some websites, people are providing fake links that will only leads to lose your money. So I have searched and get the official link of the website. I left the link to the official website link down below in the description of this video. Also, Aizen Power come with 60 days money back guarantee. If somehow the Aizen Power didn't complete your satisfaction or it didn't done what it promised, there is no problem. You will get every penny you spent to buy this product. So what is Aizen Power and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Aizen Power works, and after many laboratory tests researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that Aizen Power contains. I am not promoting Aizen Power. I am just telling the truth. If you're looking for a supplement that promotes a dietary supplement with all natural ingredients, supports a healthy and strong erection without any side effects, then this is the best solution for you. Sex is an essential part of life. Not only does sex feel good, but it may also have countless health benefits. However, over the years, men have been struggling with sexual health. The most common issues men face are lack of sexual desire and the inability to get an erection. Erectile dysfunction ruins sex life, and it is becoming common among males. It may leave you and your partner unsatisfied. Many factors can contribute to it, like depression, stress, low level of testosterone, relationship issues, and more. There are many erection supplements to enhance your manliness. Many male enhancement supplements are available in the market, each claiming to be the best solution. As you know, in such industries, false promises are a normal practice. Countless supplements are introduced every day, and only a few can back up the claims. Today, we are reviewing the Aizen Power supplement because it receives lots of positive feedback from customers. Amazing reviews from customers. Find out what they said. The overall Aizen Power customer reviews that we gathered from different sources are mostly positive. Most customers have revealed that they have found desirable results with improved sexual performance after taking the supplement. Aizen Power is a safe dietary supplement focused on sexual life and supports a healthy and strong erection. The unique formula of Aizen Power with specific herbs and plant vitamins keeps healthy erections naturally. In addition, this supplement can increase the size of your penis in a few weeks. Also, this dietary formula lets you experience pleasure every day you make out with your partner. This supplement comes in the form of simple yet effective capsules. These Aizen Power pills are FDA approved, GMP certified, and are made in the USA. Further, the ingredients are extracted from non-GMO sources and are free from toxins, stimulants, or filters, making Aizen Power as safe and natural as possible. For optimum effects, it is recommended to take 2 pills each day with water regularly until you achieve the required results and enjoy your sex life. How does Aizen Power work? Lifestyle, aging, stress, or physical damage can lead to loss of erection in many males. In erectile dysfunction, sexual arousal is not fully experienced, and that is why the brain doesn't get the message to stimulate the male reproductive system. According to Arnold, the Aizen Power supplement boosts testosterone levels and increases blood circulation to the penis, resulting in longer, stronger, and healthier erections. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Aizen Power from. And also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Use this at least once in a day to see better results in just 2 weeks. For some people it visibly works after 3 to 4 weeks of use. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Aizen Power actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And don't forget to buy this product in the official websites, or you will end up in losing your money. It is a friendly reminder. Thanks for watching this video.